Hi guys, it's Charlie, and thank you so much for joining me for yet another quarantine quickies. So today we're going to be making a scrub. It's really just 4 ingredients, and the reason why I wanted to make it is because lately with the stay-at-home orders, my skin has been super dry, like Arizona dry, like cactus dry, like desert dry, like insert dry thing here. Like, take a look at my hands. I mean, they look horrible, and my face has been drying out a lot. Like, if I stay in for 3 or more days, I've noticed that my skin has dried out a lot. So I wanted to create something that would help just get rid of this dead skin and would just rejuvenate the dry spots on my body. So if you're having the same problem, or if it's something that you might be concerned about, you'll want to keep on watching. You'll just need 4 ingredients: lemon, granulated sugar, honey, and olive oil. I think that's something everyone has in their pantry. I will say I was tempted to taste it, probably because it's all natural ingredients and it's really good. It actually tastes like lemonade. You know this stuff is good, guys, so let's go ahead and apply it. All right, guys, I just got out the shower. My face is a little wet, which is perfect. I'm actually gonna add some extra water to my face, some lukewarm water to open up my pores, and I will then go ahead and use what we've created. So I'm excited to try that. I'm gonna use lukewarm water to open up my pores. And then I'm gonna introduce this little guy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take handfuls of it and rub it on my face. And guys, this feels amazing. However, I probably should have tied my hair up, but it's all good. Kind of just. And it feels really good. What I love about using granulated sugar and even the oil gives it a nice little slip. And the sugar gives it that scrub texture, but it's not like too abrasive where it feels like it's ripping off your skin.
I love it, very gentle. And I definitely can imagine that the honey is playing a role here too, so it feels real nice. So I would suggest putting it all over your face.
Typically how I wash my face, like I'll wash my face and my neck. Because a lot of the times when I put on makeup, I'm putting on makeup like it's on my face, but it extends to my neck. So I think it's important to get that dirt from that area as well. Obviously I just showered too, so my whole body has been cleaned, but you know, good practices either way. So we'll do this, and I'll probably let this sit on my face for a good 5 minutes so it creates some sort of mask. I want it to get all in the grooves of my face. The consistency right now is very smooth and slippery. You can see on my hands, it's very slippery. Kind of love that. I can definitely see the oil, the sugar I can feel in the honey. We'll do this and we will wait for 5 minutes, and yeah, we'll see how it ends up feeling, looking, and I'll come back in 5 and wash it off. It's so good. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, this is the good stuff. I'm gonna try not to eat this. It tastes so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Shameless plug. If you guys are feeling my nails, this was my very last quarantine quickies. So I am gonna put a link above somewhere, and or at the end of this video. Check that out. It's an easy DIY to do nail art. All right, let's wash this thing off now, guys. I am going to use this, my True Glow Skin Pod. I really just love this thing. I think it's battery operated. I never use the battery though. I just kind of use it as is. So I kind of want to read to you guys some of the benefits of the ingredients we use. Lemon is an antioxidant, vitamin C, which helps keep skin even toned and it helps boost the immune system. Of course, we know that it oftentimes serves or does serve as a toner kind of thing, and it helps to close pores and tighten your face for smoother skin. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin. Honey speeds up your skin cells healing process. The olive oil is great for dry patches on your skin. And lastly, sugar is a natural humectant. Humectant, I think I'm saying that right, meaning it draws moisture from the environment into the skin. So when you apply products with sugar or sugar derivatives, they'll actually help hydrate your skin and keep moisture within. All right. Oh, wow. I feel like a woman. On my face, it feels amazing. Literally everything I needed and more. That felt so good. So good. So good. So good. No, really, it was so good. I feel amazing. Like, my skin feels so moisturized from that olive oil. It feels refreshed. It feels like the dirt has been removed from it, from the sugar granules. Truly, I am not even going to use a towel to dry off my face because, like, I don't want to lose the moisture that this olive oil has left behind. So I'm gonna this is it. Like, I'm not touching my skin after this. I'm gonna let it dry on its own. I'm gonna let the deliciousness kind of seep into my skin.
Okay, I think you guys get it. The scrub is bomb and trying it is a must. Comment below and let me know if you plan on doing so and what you might be interested in seeing next week on Quarantine Quickies.